pop all day. Hold up, somebody on their way. Hold up, I would've grown all day. Hold up, somebody can't relate.
Black
Hold up,
Panther.
stay down with no faking. Go up, top down, I've been racing. Go up, she wild, I'm in dangerous. Go up, my crowd in rotation. Yeah. Are you on 10 yet? Are you on 10 yet? Wait, are you on 10 yet? Are you on 10 yet? I live on 10. Wait, are you on 10?
Okay, you guys, so I want to show you guys quickly into our half bath downstairs. So today, the updates that I'm going to be doing today is going to be throughout the week. So if you see me in 1, 2, 3 different outfits, that is because I'm trying to get a little bit done at a time. No need to rush it. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to hopefully try to attack the accent wall right here. That is my main focus right now. And then I still have to wait for my pictures to get here that I'm going to be putting above the toilet. That trash can is going to be getting rid of. We just brought it when we moved here from the other place that we were staying at. And the last thing that I'm really worried about will probably be this mirror. It's not really a big concern to me. I can always update that. But the main concern is going to be basically doing the walls and hanging up my pictures and also getting some little, what do you call it? Oh, decorative towels to put right there. This is going to be the last thing that I'm worried about because me and my husband still has to look for a vanity and we don't know which color that we're going to go with yet. But if you guys stay tuned, I'm just going to show you guys how to do little minor touches that can make your bathroom just pop. So we are halfway there. I started this project at around, I think it was around 7:30, and right now it's just past 9:30. But I'm going to finish this tomorrow, hopefully, if my anxiety or OCD doesn't kick in, where I want to finish the whole thing tonight. But other than that, you guys, almost there. Already looks like a brand new bathroom.
How they look from there?
Good. Now it's time for the test. Go. Woo! You did it, babe. Good job.
Turns on.
Whoa. Okay, you guys, so that concludes our video for today. All products used will be listed below in the description. We still have many more upgrades to do. So if you're interested in this journey, please show me some love and please like, comment, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Bye.